In this video, I'll show you how to use the 4% APY cash interest feature on Robinhood Gold step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile icon and go to the Settings section. From there, look for the Robinhood Gold option and make sure you're subscribed. After that, go to the Cash or Transfers section where you can view your uninvested cash balance. To start earning interest, you simply need to keep cash in your account. No extra action is required. If you want to add more funds, click on Transfer, choose a deposit, and enter the amount you want to add from your bank. Once the money is in your account, it will automatically start earning interest as long as it remains uninvested. You can track your earned interest in your account history or cash summary section. Keep in mind that interest is usually paid monthly. That's how you can use Robinhood Gold to earn interest on your cash balance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.